Hi everybody, it's Gail from Me, Myself, and Mary Kay. How are you today? I hope you're all safe and healthy during this unprecedented time. Wherever you may be in the country, all is good here in Chicago. So let's jump in. I've got some information for you today. And if you've ever thought about starting your own Mary Kay business, or even just thought about what's in that starter kit, what is this all about? Well, this is your video, and I'm going to show you what comes in the kit and some different options that you have, because everybody does things differently and there's room for everyone on my team, but within the whole Mary Kay family. So the $100 starter kit gets shipped to you very, very quickly, and it's just goodness as soon as you see this pink box at your door. It is so fun. So I'm gonna open this for you because this is even more fun when you see this. What? Is this not the cutest little banner? I love it. And all your goodies are in here. Look at this. Is that not the cutest ever? I love this little banner. It is just happiness and all things pink. So this is the cuteness that's going to show up. And then I'll just quickly give you the things that come inside. And then you've got some information. So it says today is your day, and it is your day to start something new, change your future. You know, there are people that get in Mary Kay for a variety of different reasons. So there are women that want to make it their full-time career. There are women that want to work it and do only part-time. There's women that simply want the ginormous discount because they love the products. So you figure out what you want to do, and I'm always here, and all of your directors, I am not a director, but working towards it, and they're here to help you and guide you, and that is what my whole jam is about. I love watching people soar and find new things about themselves that perhaps they didn't know they could do, so to speak. I've had many women say, you know, I'm so shy. Okay, I get that. And there's different ways of dealing with it. And so I'm here to help you, but let's get down to the good stuff. So in addition to this uber cute box, there's tons of stuff that comes in here. You get full-size samples of our 4-in-1 age minimizing. You get the cleanser in normal to combo to oily. You also get the night cream. You get the day cream. You get the eye cream. The eye cream is the same for both kits. I don't know where my other one is. So you get all of those in both normal to dry and normal to oily. Full-size product too. These are not just, you know, sample sizes. You're going to get oodles of samples. So you'll get the day cream, the night cream, the eye cream, and the cleanser in both combinations. You're also going to get a translucent powder that goes with every skin tone. You are also going to get one of our full size. This is the best stuff, you guys. Our eye makeup remover is hands down the best eye makeup remover that there is. It is oil-free, but you do have to shake it a bit, you know, before you put it on a cotton ball. I use it on my lips to get off like darker lipsticks. It's super moisturizing. It's not going to dry out your eyelashes. It's really, really good. And this has won numerous awards. You can see it in Vogue magazine, Cosmo, Elle, all sorts of magazines. It is a Better Homes and Garden seal of approval product, as is the Time-Wise 4-in-1 line. So that is super cool. You're going to get, I just grabbed one of these, you're going to get all 5 of our full-size CC creams. CC cream stands for Color and Correct. So we have a variety from light to medium, medium to dark, so on and so forth. So you're going to get all 5 of the full-size CC creams, and you can use those. It's very easy to match foundation, if you will, using our CC cream. You're going to get our Ultimate Mascara, which is wonderful. You get these really cute, nice mesh bags for putting products in and samples. You're going to get disposable facial cloths. These are white. You wet them in a little bowl of water and everyone can cleanse their face. You're also going to get, these are in the bag. Sorry, I didn't take them out. But in addition to that, in these bags, you're also going to get the makeup mirrors. And this is what you set up when you do facials. They come in these mesh bags. And I can do a video later. I keep all of my things for each guest ready at the go in the bags with, you know, profile sheets and cards and things of that nature. But you're simply going to put together our little mirror like that. And we have trays and all that kind of good stuff. So all of this just is going to go in your little bag. So you're going to get those. Oh my gosh, you guys, you get so much stuff. It's amazing. Make room here. You're going to get order forms. You're going to get, these are super important. These are your customer profile sheets where you keep record of products they've used, foundation color, etc., etc. You're going to get a package of the lookbook. This is a previous one, but these are, everybody loves to get their hands on these and see different looks and things. And of course, new products that are coming out, and fall is coming. You're going to get the Mary Kay Ash book. This is actually very interesting. I have read this myself. I used to give it to new team members when they would join my team, but now it comes in the kit. So it's very interesting. She was really ahead of her time, to say the least. You're going to get a flip book too, and I don't think I have that here, but you get all sorts of information brochures, you know, information. And I love this. You get a little card. Look at this, you guys. It says, with the little banner, "Hello, gorgeous." Bam. Isn't it so cute? I love it. I love it. Presentation is everything. You get this poster board sign. I just dropped something that you can put up at parties, in your kitchen, letting everybody know here's where the fun is. Oh, here's the night cream. So you just get oodles and oodles and oodles of good stuff to help you get going. Remember, if you should decide, hey, you know, maybe I want to give this a try, or look into it a little more, have questions, you know, reach out to me. But always remember, the nice thing about Mary Kay is you may be in business for yourself, but you are not in business by yourself. I have met so many nice women that actually some of them I've become very good friends with and have been friends with now for over 15 years. And I hope it continues that way. That's what it's about. So think about it. If you have any questions, let me know. This is over a $400 value for all the products that you receive. Again, it's $99. They have a special now running that for $30, if you don't want to get the full kit, The $30 limited time offer, you get access to a Mary Kay personal website for a year. That's ordinarily $50. That's what I pay, $50 for my website. Well, for the online only version without the kit, you can do the eStart, and that will give you a personal website for the year. So you're already out of the box saving $20. You get access to a ProPay account, and that allows you to securely process credit card orders, which is a lifesaver for me because many of my customers are all over the country. We are a corporate family here at my home, and so we have moved several times. And so I've got customers all over the place. So this has been a lifesaver for me. And then you also have all the access to the digital applications that Mary Kay offers, social media posts, product videos, e-catalogs. I send those out quite a bit to customers, selling tips, and more. So you're saving $20 right off the bat. But where else can you start an online business, especially during this unprecedented time for $30? I mean, I've never heard of such a thing. So they did extend it because there were people that were wanting to just try it in a e-format as opposed to having all the products. But the nice thing is, if you decide to take advantage of, hey, I want the whole starter kit, I want the over $400 in products, plus I want the $30 e-starter kit, you can combine the two for $130 and you're still saving $20. So it's a pretty good deal. It isn't going to last forever. The starter kit will remain at $100. The $30 e-business, that's just for a limited time, and that's going to end at the end of the month. It was till the end of June, and then they extended it. So I'll get more information on that tonight. We're having a unit meeting, a team meeting, so I'll get some more information and detail on that. So yeah, you know, you might think with social distancing right now that this isn't a good time, but it actually is a good time. I know my sales have been soaring, and my customers do not want to go out to a store, run into people who are not social distancing, not wearing masks. They just don't, and they don't need to. If they're local to me, I can drop things off. Better yet, because I have my online store and website, they can shop online and they get it super duper fast. I had 2 women here in Chicago that just recently placed orders last week, and they got it the very next day. Now, that's not to say every place all over the country you're going to get it the next day, but the order comes out of the branch closest to where you are. So don't think because Mary Kay's in Dallas, that's where orders come from. It's not. It will come from the closest branch to where you live, because they want to make sure, and I'm so glad that Mary Kay does this, they want to make sure that the customer gets their product right away. There's no waiting. Nobody likes to wait. So it's actually a great time because of safety measures in place. So just something else to chew on a little bit, but if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough of all the yummy little products. It's so cute. I just love it. I would love to work with you, run with you, lead you and guide you, and watch you soar. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. I am here and I'm excited to chat with you. Make sure, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification too, please. Share this if you would be gracious enough to do that. I'm trying to grow this channel. I am not new to YouTube. I've been around for many, many years, just in different genres, and have decided now with COVID in February, I started thinking about maybe running this more online. So that is what I'm doing right now. So please, again, hit that subscribe button. Leave me some comments. I'd love to get to know you guys and chat with you. And yeah, I hope this answers some questions or gives you a little sneak peek as to what comes inside. So as always, great big hugs from me to you. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your week. All right. Bye, guys.